In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number in Microsoft Authenticator. Here's the idea before we start. The Microsoft Authenticator app reads your security info from your Microsoft account. So to change the phone number the app uses for verification texts, you'll update it on your Microsoft account and the Authenticator app will follow automatically. Open a web browser and go to your Microsoft account homepage. If you're prompted, sign in as you normally would. You may be asked to approve a notification in Authenticator or enter a code. That's expected since we're dealing with security settings. At the top of the page, click Your Info. This is where Microsoft keeps your personal details and the links to manage how you sign in. From there, head into Account Info to view and manage the ways you sign in and verify your identity. Next, select Edit Account Info. This opens the area where your phone numbers and other sign-in methods are listed. Take a moment to look for your existing phone number. You'll typically see entries for text or call verification and possibly an alternate email. Confirm which one is the old number so you don't remove the wrong method. If you no longer have access to the old number, click Remove next to it. You'll likely be asked to confirm. Removing an outdated number helps prevent lockouts later, especially if a code might be sent to a phone you can't reach. If you still can receive texts on the old number right now, you can wait to remove it until after the new one is added and verified. Now add your new number. Click Add a new way to sign in or verify, then choose the option to receive a text code. Select your country or region, enter the new phone number carefully, and continue. Microsoft will send you a one-time code by text. Enter that code to prove the number is yours, and then save. If you see options about allowing sign-in or using the number for verification, choose what matches how you prefer to authenticate. Once you've saved the change, the Microsoft Authenticator app will automatically recognize your updated security info for that account. There's nothing extra to do in the app. If you'd like to confirm, try a sign-in that requests a verification code or notification and make sure everything works with your new number. Quick tip before we wrap up, keep at least one backup method on your account, such as an alternate email or another verified number so you're never locked out. And if this is a work or school account, some options may be managed by your organization's policies. That's it. Your phone number is now updated for Microsoft Authenticator.